Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to the cookbook Cicadalicious, written by Jenna Jaden and the University of Maryland, Cicada Maniacs, Jaden recommends gathering the cicadas while alive and placing them in the freezer, then boiling them 4 to 5 minutes and blanching them.
Take our lead.
Cicadas are a sign of warming spring weather in many parts of the U.S. Most cicada species come out every year. In the United States, there are groups of cicadas that stay underground for either 13 years or 17 years. These are called periodical broods.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.